my channel, News for Kids. Today, we will give you fantastic tips to celebrate the New Year. That too while staying at home. So let's listen. Why go out when staying in? Is more fun, more affordable, and very close to your bed at the end of the night, right? And since staying home is the safest option for celebrating this year, there are plenty of ways to get creative and have the best time ringing in 2021. Just saying goodbye to 2020 should be good enough. So without further ado, let's begin with our top 9 tips to celebrate the new year and welcome 2021 with open arms. Tip number 1. Have lots of snacks. Tasty food is a must on New Year's Eve, even if you aren't cooking for a lot of people. Make party appetizers to last all night long. Tip number 2. Get a sparkly new outfit. Your home is now your runway. If you feel better in sweatpants, go for it. But if you want to get in the holiday spirit, you can't go wrong with a sparkly new outfit. Who cares if you're alone? Your party selfies are forever, you know. While you're at it, get a New Year's Eve party crown or poppers to really get in the spirit. Tip number 3. Pull out all the board games. An at-home New Year's Eve celebration is not complete without board game. Everything from Monopoly to Twister should be on the table here. Nothing is too childish, too silly, or too long to play on New Year's Eve. Plus, it's the fastest way to get the laughs rolling with your roommates or partners. Tip number 4. Watch funny movies or TV shows. Watching funny movies or TV shows is one of the best ways to spend New Year's Eve. Laughter is the best medicine after all. And the voices of your favorite characters from classics like Teen Titans Go, Friends, Sister Sister, The Office, Chhota Bheem or Girlfriends will keep you company long into the night. Tip number 5. Use telepathy to watch something funny with faraway friends. Missing loved one this time of year? Telepathy is here for your rescue. So watch something with faraway friends or family. Telepathy means you can watch same movies together with friends who also have a same OTT account like Prime Video or Netflix or something similar and enjoy and watch shows and movies together even when you're apart. Admit it, this sounds way more fun, right? Tip number 6. Have a dance party. Turn up the music, turn down the lights and have a party right in your living room. But you have space to have fun, let loose and sing at the top of your lungs with no one around to care. It's fun and it relieves stress, so there is no excuse to not do it. Tip number 7. Play video game. Mario Kart and Among Us might be the only video games you're good at, but that's okay. Challenging your partner or your friends virtually to a video game will be your new favorite tradition. There are plenty of options on your phone or laptop if you don't have a gaming console. It's a fun way to feel connected to others and help pass the time. Tip number 8. Call friends and family members to check in. New Year's Eve is the perfect time to call your loved ones, like you've been meaning to do. Check in with family members and friends who are probably also celebrating alone and wish them well in the new year. It will bring them some cheer and it will help you to feel less lonely too. Tip number 9. Bake and decorate. Baking sweets can make everything better. So spend some time on New Year's Eve trying out a new recipe for brownies, pies and cakes. Also, just for our viewers, the News for Kids cake expert, Smruti auntie, is going to be showing us how to make delicious cupcakes for the new year because it's calming, fun and totally delicious.
Hello everyone, welcome to News for Kids. I'm sure everyone is in holiday mood and nothing is more Christmassy than some nice cupcakes, right? So here I've got you a very simple recipe for chocolate cupcakes. Let's get baking. do try it. You can use some simple tricks like decorating your cupcakes with some nice marshmallows and cranberries and fruits also. Do try it. Merry Christmas to everybody and stay home, stay safe.
Thank Smruti auntie for baking such delicious cupcakes. We enjoyed the video a lot. We hope our viewers try to bake and enjoy these cupcakes as well. So we all from News for Kids team wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We would also like to inform our viewers that we won't be releasing an episode on the 1st of January. After all, we need a break too, right? Stay safe, stay blessed. So see you next time.